Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great week. We've got so much going on over here. We're going to do another SCOTD. We may do another one next Friday, but we've fallen so far behind because of all the projects we've been doing. We've been falling so far behind on the sign carvers of the day. We want to try and use some of these Friday videos to catch up. Hopefully Ryan will get on and I will get on the water here again pretty soon. But for today, we're going to do another 20 group of SCOTDs. So we've got some really great ones. We've had some great groups of SCOTDs, but I don't think any better than what we have here. So check these out. They're super motivating for me. So first we have Luke Geerink. And this is a great one. And he had a booth at a local Blessings of the Bikes event at a local church. He sold 7 of 10 signs he had at the show and 4 more new orders. Passed out a half a box of cards. So that just gives you guys an inkling in if you've got good work, get them in front of people and people will buy them. So congratulations, Luke. Awesome work, as always. Luke's a great sign carver. So here we have Jason McGarrell, and he took this cool portrait of Jane Seymour. Jason is in Ireland, and he met Jane when she was filming there. And so this is just she's always been one of my favorites. I think every guy in the world has always been in love with Jane Seymour. She's just amazing. I love that movie she was in with Christopher Reeves. Somewhere in Time, I think is the name of it. Amazing movie. Anyway, moving on. Joe DeAngelis. Joe is making some really cool stuff. So here's a Detroit Red Wings and a Harley Davidson sign. Great job, Joe, as always. Turning signs actually into functional products where you've got either a hat rack or maybe a coat hanger. Anyway, love it. Great job, Joe. Love them. Chris Sray, very first sign, and he made this sign for his wife, who is a gamer, and he made this just out of a piece of scrap pine. Great job for your first sign. Those are some really good lines there, Chris. Terrific job, buddy. I love it. Great work. Mike Pack. There's 2 different signs here. One of them is just a layout. The one on the left is one he made for the church during Easter week. And on the right is a cutting board gift. And he's just cutting this logo on the back of a cutting board. You don't want to do carving on the front of a cutting board, especially if you're putting resin on it. But even if you're not, I wouldn't do carving on the front of a cutting board unless you're going to just put oil on it and maybe pack it with like milliput, which is food safe. So, and it's hard as a rock as well. Anyway, great job, Mike. I really love it. Terrific work, buddy. So here's Greg Tanner. First time he used our bear stencil, and he added something really neat, which I love, the bear claws in the corners. So look close at this. The picture is a little bit fuzzy, but I love the way he added the bear claws in the corners. Terrific job. Love it, Greg. Dave Merk. This one is really cool. I don't know where he got the artwork, or maybe he drew it, but I love the way the design is, and it's got a little fisherman on a dock there. I just think it looks terrific. Great job, Dave. I love it. By the way, the background that he did for the lake, he went horizontal on that, which I think it just is a great way to go when you're emulating like waves, like water. Terrific job, Dave. I love it. Brian Matteson. This is his third sign. Man, my words aren't working today. This is his third sign. Brian lives in California, but he's going to Table Lock Wow.
You all right? You good?
Yeah. Let me say that again. Brian lives in Southern California, but he's going to Table Rock Lake
There you go.
near Branson, Missouri, and he's bass fishing for a week with his dad and his uncle. Table Rock Lake, I understand, is like world famous for
Really?
big bass. Yeah. So and he's going in May, which he's already been there and gone, but I haven't heard back from Brian. So Brian, if you see this, give me an update. How'd you do on your bass fishing trip? Anyway, congratulations. Great job, Brian. Dave Lowery. So this is, I think, one of Dave's first ones. Lines look really good. He likes the flat background. A nice chamfer on the edge. Makes it a nice frame. Blue and black. Great job, Dave. I love it. Steve Pankey. I think I'm saying that right. This is a beautiful flag. It's all hand routed. The 1776 and the stars are hand routed on a blue field. Just looks terrific. Great job, Stephen. That flags are very popular these days, which is nice. Yeah. I love that. Here's our buddy Jim Rogers from Las Vegas, and he's been down here. We actually did an interview with him here. Terrific guy. Love Jim. And he met with us when we were doing, that's where this picture came from, when we were doing the demo up at Woodcraft a month or two ago. And he's making some great signs. Jim, congratulations, buddy. I hope you're selling. I think he's going out to flea markets and stuff up in the Las Vegas area. Hope things are going well for you, Jim. We'll see you soon, buddy. Great job, buddy. Ron Beard. So he is obviously carving our stencil, our Gone Fishing stencil, and it came out great. I love the edge. It really goes with the design of the sign. Looks like this was pine with stain on it. Very nice work, Ron. Love it, buddy. Tio, we're just going to say Tio. I think that he goes by Tio. Salgado. This one is really cool. I love it. Stormtrooper. A lot of detail on there. This is the kind of thing that could sell big, guys. This is a 12 by 24 pine. And Tio, awesome job, man. Beautiful work. Great lines. Love the artwork. I love the design. I just love everything about it. Terrific job, Tio. 16 by 22, our buddy from France, Fabrice Best. This guy's an artist. The color that he uses, the stuff, the signs that he makes is amazing. You guys have seen him many times before on here. 16 by 22. I'm not sure what the wood is, but man, gorgeous work. I think it has, this image is like from the Transformers or something. That's what it looks like. Or anime cartoons of some kind. Anyway, great job, Fabrice, as always. Miss Pam Berry, been with us for a long time. Pam made 2 of these signs, and I think they're terrific. Looks like it's made out of oak, flat background. Looks like you carved pretty deep on that, Pam, and she made 2 of these for her pastor. I just think it's terrific. Great job, Pam, as always. Tony Shadle. Gosh, I hope I'm saying that right, Tony. I apologize if I mispronounced that. But let me say, I love this carving. Did this for his grandson. And got some great power carving in there. Got a really cool 3D effect with the monster green on there. I love the colors. I love everything about this. This is so cool. And again, I hope you guys are getting inspiration from these, because I certainly am. There's just so much good stuff here for you guys to give you guys some ideas of what you could sell. But then again, if you look at this picture, it's just a generic thing. It's not personalized, but man, somebody's going to buy these things up. So great job, Tony. Love it.
It's funny because that's not a logo I would think of as being carved.
No. I wouldn't
not
either.
At all. I used to wear DC shoes all the time, but
yeah,
that looks really.
That is really cool the way he melded those together. Yeah, it looks really cool. Here's another one, a different version of a Gone Fishing sign from Stephen Frum, and this is 12 by 24 basswood. all inset, not super complicated, but I bet those things would sell if you get them in front of people. Remember, guys, it's not too soon to start planning for Christmas. Start making some stuff, getting it out there. People are starting to buy Christmas presents already, even though it's just, July. It's not too soon to start stocking up and planning for the Christmas season. That is the best season to sell signs. Mark Tuzerski. I hope so. I hope I spelled that right or said it right. This is one we talked about yesterday that we heard a quote. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. And remember, we saw that somewhere, and that is a quote from Audrey Hepburn, the famous actress. Wow, man. I'm just going too fast. Second sign from Mark, and he made this for his sister because his sister is an Audrey Hepburn fan. But great job. For a second sign, looks terrific. Great job, Mark. And last but not least, Shane Northridge over in the UK. 19 by 19 inlaid resin with acrylic paints. I almost made it to the end without screwing up again.
Almost.
You're going to have a lot of editing on this one. Or leave it all in. I don't care. Anyway, Shane, obviously, as always, I love the way you mix colors and you do just stuff that is so unique. So Shane is a master sign carver. Love your stuff, Shane. Great job. So if I haven't said it before, this is May 3rd through May 25th. 5/3 through 5/25, 2022. And what a terrific group. I told you guys at the beginning, this was a great group of sign carvers of the day. I think it's one of the best we've had. Some really, really cool stuff here. I hope it's an inspiration for you guys. Give you guys some ideas of things that you can do coming up into the fall and Christmas season. You can't start too soon, so think about Christmas gifts and things that you can make that your family and friends are going to like, or maybe if you want to sell them, get them out there online, get them in front of people, and people will buy them. So, I hope you like this, guys. We enjoy these. One last reminder. Don't forget, it's coming on to the end of July. We've got our big summer giveaway for the Milwaukee router package. Go watch this video and you'll find out all the things about it. But it's about a $400 package that we'll be giving away early next month. So I hope you guys get entered in there, and good luck to y'all. Thanks for watching, guys. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.